Hi, today I'm going to share with you 5 tips of why your online marketing business is not growing. And they definitely are reasons why I didn't see growth in my business when I first started. So you've been trying for months, even years trying to make money online, and you're ready to quit? Well, don't do that just yet. If increasing your income and growing your business online is one of your ultimate goals, then keep on watching. Welcome back, and if we haven't met yet, my name is Sylvia and I'm an online marketing strategist helping beginners improve their affiliate and email marketing business. Subscribe to my channel to get more videos like these. My ultimate goal is to help improve your business. Now watch until the end because I bet you didn't realize you were making this mistake and this is the reason why your business is not growing. Now this first reason a lot of people are guilty of, including myself. We are being stuck in a vicious cycle. So the first thing that you need to do to make money online is stop chasing quick rich schemes because they don't exist. So what most people do is they buy the next big product that promised them millions. They probably finish about 20% of it and then they don't get the results they want quickly. And so then they move on to the next big lunge. Now this is a vicious cycle. And as old as I am, I actually fell victim of this, but that's because I wanted to make money. So my advice is to stay focused on one program and follow through. And I'm going to give you some few pointers on how to do that. Next thing that you can do is declutter your email, or just better yet, just go get you a whole new email so that way you can stop chasing the next get rich scheme that promised millions overnight. Instead of buying all those courses that are going to sit in your hard drive, keep that money for your next marketing campaign. I personally, when I broke free from this vicious cycle and followed one program, I finally made my first $100 online and it felt amazing. Now drop me a comment below. Let me know how you felt when you first made your first dollar online. Another reason why you're not seeing results and you're not making money in your new business, it's because you don't have a business plan. For example, if you don't have the right guidance, most new internet marketers don't have a plan to create content, to create products, and they don't have a plan to promote their business, and they don't know who their target audience is. And because they don't know how to promote to their target audience, they end up promoting to the world. And we do not want to promote to the world. We only need a handful of people that can relate to you. So my point is, having no business plan is sort of like throwing darts with a blindfold on and hoping that you hit the target. Now you might hit that target every now and then, but with no real breakthroughs to really grow and scale your business. Well, all of this halts your success online, including that vicious cycle, and keep you confused, which then leads to procrastination, which we'll talk about in a bit. And the third reason that halts your success online and keeps you from making any money is procrastination. As a procrastinator, it is really important that you get to the bottom of the reasons why. Everyone suffers from these tendencies in at least one aspect of their lives, whether it's getting your work done, getting your household chores done, even going to the gym. While there's a lot of reasons that people procrastinate, here are my top 2 that kept me from making any money. The first is fear of failure. And sometimes the fear of not succeeding is so strong that you don't even try at all. And what ends up happening is you find excuses of the reasons why you're not doing it or you haven't started. So you try to tell yourself that you're not a failure, and that's probably because you haven't done it at all. And that's not all. Some people that have fear of failure also suffer from what they call perfectionism syndrome. But in my opinion, perfectionism syndrome is just an excuse or a cover-up to not finish anything that's due for fear of failure. Now, I fell into this fear trap many times. Fear of rejection, fear because I didn't have high educational degrees, and I have Bell's palsy. Now, all of these things held me back from getting myself out there. Now, if any of this sound familiar to you and you've fallen into these fear traps and you can relate, then hit that like button. Now, my suggestion to you is get yourself out there. If I can do it, you can do it. And remember, we don't want to attract the whole world anyways. We only want a handful of people that can relate to you. And reason number 4, also I was very guilty of and held me back from making money online. And that is basically consuming more than you're creating. I was stuck here in this phase of my business for a very long time, just reading, and I never felt ready to get myself out there. So it defeats the purpose to have the best course, the best mentor, if you don't implement those strategies, and you won't ever know if they worked or not. Here's the deal. Make friends with your mistakes, meaning don't be afraid of them because they are only going to help you improve your business in the long run. So my suggestion is create more than you consume. Now, when I changed my mentality to create more than consuming, then it started to all make sense to me. And the fifth reason that held me back, and I bet you didn't think you were guilty of this one, is not putting in enough hours into your business. Let's take, for instance, a successful blogger that's put in a lot of work into their blogging, which is why they're running a 6 or 7 figure business, which is the reason a lot of people don't succeed. They don't want to put all that work into their business. When I first started, I was only utilizing email marketing to bring in money, but I knew there were other ways to bring in the dough. I just needed to put in the work to scale my business. So my point with reason number 5 is put in the work if you want to see your business grow, because all those people at the top worked really hard to be where they're at. But the sad part is a lot of us quit before seeing the results they desired. So if you're not seeing momentum in your business, it's probably going to be one of these 5 reasons that we talked about today. I hope you've enjoyed this video and it helps you come out of your comfort zone. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below. Let me know what fear that you have to overcome in order to help scale your business. Again, my name is Sylvia with SylviaCbriones.com. I will see you next Thursday.